Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Did you do anything fun over the weekend?
Yes, I went hiking. Have you ever gone hiking?
I have. Where did you go hiking?
I went to Blue Mountain. Have you been there before?
No, I haven't. Is it far from here?
Not really. It's about an hour's drive. Do you like driving long distances?
Sometimes. Do you usually drive or take public transport?
I usually drive. Do you have a car?
Yes, I do. What kind of car do you drive?
I drive a sedan. Do you prefer sedans or SUVs?
I prefer SUVs because they are bigger. How about you?
I like sedans for city driving. Do you drive often in the city?
Yes, daily. Do you find city traffic stressful?
Sometimes it is. How do you usually relax after a stressful day?
I like reading books. What about you?
I enjoy listening to music. What type of books do you read?
Mostly fiction. Do you like fiction too?
Sometimes, but I prefer biographies. Have you read any biographies recently?
Yes, I read one about Elon Musk. Are you interested in tech entrepreneurs?
Yes, very much. Who's your favorite tech entrepreneur?
I really admire Steve Jobs. How about you?
I like Bill Gates. Have you ever attended a tech conference?
No, I haven't. Would you like to go to one?
Yes, definitely. Do you think they are exciting?
Yes, especially the new product presentations. Have you ever tried a new gadget firsthand?
Yes, I tried a new smartphone last month. Do you like trying new technology?
Absolutely. Do you think technology makes life easier?
Mostly yes, but sometimes it's complicated. Do you enjoy learning new tech skills?
Yes, I like learning online. What about you?
Me too. Do you take online courses often?
Yes, I take one every few months. What kind of courses do you take?
Mostly language courses. Are you learning English now?
Yes, I am. What's your favorite way to practice English?
I like having conversations with friends. Do you have English speaking friends?
Yes, I do. Where do you usually meet them?
Mostly at cafes. Do you like going to cafes?
Yes, I love them. What do you usually order at a cafe?
I usually order coffee. Do you like coffee or tea more?
I prefer tea. Do you like green tea or black tea?
I usually drink black tea. Do you drink tea every day?
Yes, I do. How about you? Do you drink coffee daily?
Not every day, only in the mornings. Do you think coffee helps you stay awake?
Yes, it definitely helps. Do you like drinking coffee at home or in a cafe?
I prefer at home. Do you usually make coffee yourself?
Yes, I enjoy making it. Do you like using a coffee machine or a French press?
I use a coffee machine. Do you know how to use a French press?
Yes, I learned recently. Do you enjoy experimenting with drinks?
Yes, I like trying new recipes. What's the latest drink you tried?
I tried a matcha latte. Have you ever had one?
Yes, I love matcha. Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I usually like cold drinks in summer. What about you?
I like hot drinks in winter. Do you enjoy cold weather?
Sometimes, I like snowy days. Do you like snow?
Yes, especially for skiing. Have you ever skied before?
No, I haven't, but I want to try. Do you ski often?
Occasionally, when I go on vacation. What's your favorite vacation spot?
I love the beach. Do you like the beach or the mountains more?
I prefer the mountains. Have you ever been hiking in the mountains?
Yes, a few times. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, very much. Do you like camping while hiking?
Yes, camping is fun. Have you ever slept in a tent?
Yes, it's exciting. Do you like cooking outdoors while camping?
Yes, I enjoy making meals on a campfire. Do you have a favorite camping meal?
I love roasted marshmallows. Do you like sweet treats?
Yes, I love desserts. What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake is my favorite. Do you like baking?
Sometimes, I like baking cookies. Do you bake often?
Not often, but I enjoy it. Do you follow recipes or improvise?
I usually follow recipes. Do you like cooking meals at home?
Yes, I do. Do you prefer cooking or eating out?
I prefer cooking at home. Do you like trying new cuisines?
Yes, I love exploring different foods. What's your favorite cuisine?
I like Italian food. Do you enjoy pasta or pizza more?
Pizza is my favorite. Do you like thin crust or thick crust?
I prefer thin crust. Do you like making pizza at home?
Sometimes, yes. Do you add unusual toppings on pizza?
Yes, I once added pineapple. Do you like pineapple on pizza?
I do. Do you like sweet and savory foods together?
Yes, I enjoy sweet and savory combinations. Do you like trying new food combinations?
Definitely, it's fun to experiment. What's the strangest combination you've tried?
I once tried chocolate with cheese. Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love it. Do you prefer dark, milk, or white chocolate?
I prefer dark chocolate. Do you enjoy eating chocolate alone or in desserts?
Mostly in desserts. Do you like making desserts yourself?
Yes, I sometimes bake cakes. Do you bake often at home?
Occasionally. Do you like baking with friends or alone?
I like baking with friends. Do you enjoy cooking with family too?
Yes, family cooking is fun. What's your favorite family recipe?
I love my grandmother's apple pie. Do you enjoy traditional recipes?
Yes, I like them very much. Do you try to learn new recipes too?
Yes, I often watch cooking shows. Do you watch cooking shows?
Sometimes. Do you prefer watching or reading recipes?
I prefer watching videos. Do you follow any chefs online?
Yes, I follow a few famous chefs. Who is your favorite chef?
I like Gordon Ramsay. Do you enjoy spicy food like he sometimes cooks?
Yes, I love spicy food. How spicy do you usually like it?
I like medium spiciness. Do you enjoy eating international spicy dishes?
Yes, especially Indian and Thai food. Have you tried them?
Yes, I have. Do you enjoy cooking international dishes at home?
Yes, I try new cuisines sometimes. What's the hardest dish you've cooked?
I once made homemade dumplings. Do you like dumplings?
Yes, I love them. Do you prefer steamed or fried dumplings?
I prefer steamed dumplings. Do you like making dumplings from scratch?
Sometimes, but it's a lot of work. Do you enjoy baking more than cooking savory meals?
Yes, I find baking more relaxing. Do you enjoy decorating cakes?
Yes, it's very creative. Have you decorated a cake before?
Yes, I decorated one for a friend's birthday. Do you like celebrating birthdays?
Absolutely. Do you usually throw parties or keep them small?
I like small gatherings. Do you enjoy giving gifts?
Yes, especially thoughtful gifts. Do you prefer giving or receiving gifts?
I enjoy giving gifts more. Do you like making homemade gifts?
Sometimes, yes. What's the best homemade gift you've received?
I got a handmade photo album once. Do you enjoy taking photos?
Yes, I love photography. Do you prefer nature or city photos?
I prefer nature photos. Do you like going on photography trips?
Yes, I do. Have you ever traveled somewhere just to take pictures?
Yes, I went to the mountains for photography. Do you enjoy early morning shoots?
Yes, the sunrise is beautiful. Do you often wake up early to take photos?
Yes, I often wake up early. Do you like watching sunrises or sunsets more?
I prefer sunsets. Have you ever photographed a sunset?
Yes, I have. Do you like going to the beach to watch sunsets?
Yes, it's very relaxing. Do you enjoy swimming in the ocean?
Sometimes, yes. Do you like water sports like surfing or kayaking?
Yes, I love kayaking. Have you ever tried kayaking?
No, I haven't. Do you prefer calm rivers or the ocean for kayaking?
I prefer calm rivers. Do you enjoy nature trips in general?
Yes, I love nature. Do you like hiking in forests or mountains more?
I enjoy forest hikes. Do you like spotting wildlife during hikes?
Yes, I find it exciting. Have you ever seen a wild animal while hiking?
Yes, once I saw a deer. Do you enjoy bird watching too?
Sometimes, yes. Do you have a favorite bird species?
I like eagles. Have you ever seen one in the wild?
Yes, I saw one in the mountains. Do you like camping near rivers or lakes?
I prefer lakes. Do you enjoy fishing while camping?
Occasionally, yes. Do you prefer catching fish or just relaxing by the water?
I enjoy relaxing. Do you like reading by the lake?
Yes, reading outside is peaceful. Do you prefer novels or magazines?
I like novels. Do you enjoy mystery or romance novels more?
I enjoy mystery novels. Do you like solving puzzles in real life too?
Yes, puzzles are fun. Do you enjoy crosswords or jigsaw puzzles more?
I like jigsaw puzzles. Do you enjoy doing puzzles alone or with friends?
I prefer with friends. Do you like board games too?
Yes, I love board games. Do you prefer strategy games or luck-based games?
I enjoy strategy games. Do you play chess?
Yes, I do. Do you play frequently?
Occasionally. Do you enjoy learning new strategies?
Yes, I do. Do you like online chess or in-person games more?
I prefer in-person games. Do you enjoy game nights with friends?
Yes, very much. Do you like playing card games too?
Yes, I love them. Do you enjoy traditional games like poker or rummy?
I like rummy. Do you enjoy teaching games to others?
Sometimes, yes. Do you like learning new games from friends?
Yes, I enjoy that. Do you like competitive or casual games?
I prefer casual games. Do you enjoy playing games outdoors too?
Yes, outdoor games are fun. Do you like sports like soccer or basketball?
I like soccer. Do you play regularly?
Occasionally, yes. Do you enjoy watching soccer matches too?
Yes, very much. Do you support a particular soccer team?
Yes, I support a local team. Do you go to the stadium to watch matches?
Sometimes, yes. Do you prefer watching sports live or on TV?
I prefer live matches. Do you enjoy the atmosphere at the stadium?
Yes, it's very exciting. Do you cheer loudly during games?
Yes, I do. Do you usually go with friends or family?
I usually go with friends. Do you spend time with them outside sports too?
Yes, we hang out often. Do you like going to the movies with friends?
Yes, I love it. What kind of movies do you usually watch?
I enjoy action movies. Do you like comedies or dramas more?
I prefer comedies. Do you like watching movies at home too?
Yes, I do. Do you use streaming platforms often?
Yes, almost every day. Do you binge watch shows sometimes?
Yes, guilty of that. Do you stay up late watching shows?
Sometimes. Do you find it hard to wake up early after that?
Yes, it's tough. Do you usually wake up early or late?
I usually wake up early. Do you like having breakfast at home?
Yes, I love breakfast. What's your favorite breakfast food?
I like pancakes. Do you prefer sweet or savory breakfasts?
I prefer savory ones. Do you usually cook your breakfast?
Yes, I do. Do you enjoy cooking in the morning?
Not always, I'm sometimes lazy. Do you skip breakfast often?
Really, I try to eat daily. Do you drink juice or milk in the morning?
I usually drink juice. Do you like fresh juice or bottled juice?
I prefer fresh juice. Do you make it yourself?
Yes, sometimes. Do you like orange juice or apple juice more?
Orange juice for me. Do you drink it cold or with ice?
Cold, without ice. Do you usually have coffee after juice?
Yes, often. Do you feel ready for the day after coffee?
Yes, coffee wakes me up. Do you usually start work early?
Yes, I do. Do you work from home or at an office?
I work from home. Do you enjoy remote work?
Yes, it's flexible. Do you sometimes miss the office?
A little bit, yes. Do you like meeting colleagues face to face?
Yes, it feels more personal. Do you attend office events sometimes?
Occasionally, yes. Do you think social events are important?
Yes, they help connect people. Do you like networking?
Yes, I find it useful. Do you usually network at events or online?
Mostly online these days. Do you prefer online conversations or in-person ones?
Honestly, I prefer in-person ones, like this nice chat. Should we wrap up here?
Sure, it was a lovely conversation. Let's talk again soon.